Hair length personality test. Your hair length reveals your true personality traits. Do you have very short hair? Or bob cut hair? Or shoulder length hair? Or long hair? Know what your hair length says about you. Today, Elle will uncover fascinating psychological facts about how the length of hair depicts the personality of a person. Several studies have explored the link between the length of hair and personality traits. In this hair length personality test, we will share what your hair length says about you. Let us ask you some questions. Do you have very short hair? Or bob cut hair? Or shoulder length hair? Or long hair? Personality tests help to learn about yourself, your likes or dislikes, preferences, how you think, gauge your emotional intelligence, and also your IQ levels. These tests are designed scientifically to pry deep into your emotional and rational thought processes, and psychological makeup, and uncover hidden personality traits that we often lose touch with over the years since our birth. Very short hair personality traits. If your hair length is very short, your personality traits reveal that you are social and confident. You are good at making new friends and socializing. You show integrity in everything you do. You are good at tasks that require thinking and brainstorming. You enjoy intellectual conversations. Even during the conflict, you are good at remaining calm. You have a high degree of self-control. At times, you can be impulsive and reckless. Bob cut hair personality traits. If your hair length is bob cut, your personality traits reveal that you speak things as they are. You do not mince your words nor sugarcoat the truth. You are straightforward and direct. You tend to maintain a balance between your personal and professional life. You are happy with routine stuff. You like to experiment and explore new things, new places, and new experiences. You like to keep things simple and clear. Shoulder length hair personality traits. If your hair length is till your shoulders, your personality traits reveal that you like to be in touch with your feminine side. You tend to be sophisticated. You like being a good person and kind to others. You like challenges and problem solving. You find no trouble in making new friends. You can be quite talkative, but you are a good listener too. You look out for your friends and family in every situation. Long hair personality traits. If your hair length is long, your personality traits reveal that you are patient, cautious, and persistent. You love having big dreams and are not afraid to turn them into reality. You are highly determined and committed to your goals. You do not engage in short-term relationships. You invest and maintain long-term relationships. You can be quite selective of the people you associate with, make friends with, or establish a relationship with. Long hair personality traits. If your hair length is long, your personality traits reveal that you are patient, cautious, and persistent. You love having big dreams and are not afraid to turn them into reality. You are highly determined and committed to your goals. You do not engage in short-term relationships. You invest and maintain long-term relationships. You can be quite selective of the people you associate with, make friends with, or establish a relationship with. Thanks for watching video. If you like my video, then subscribe my channel. Take care. Allah Hafiz.